What's up, Slime Squad? Today I'm going to show you more slime hacks and fixes. We'll compare activators, color dyes, and other ingredients. And I'm even going to throw in some ASMR. Let's get started and make better slime. First up, I'm going to show you how to fix hard, clear slime. Now, I actually like mine puttyish sometimes, but other times I have it too hard and I need to soften it. So, this is not good. What do? So, all you do is you're going to put your clear slime back in a bowl and you're going to add some water. And I let mine set for about a day or overnight. If it's really thick, guys, you're going to have to let it sit for a couple days. So, just be patient. It will turn out perfect. Oh, and by the way, you need to poke some holes in it too so the water can absorb quicker. So here's my slime after I let it set for about 8 hours with the water soaking into it. And you notice it's a little cloudier. So when you're messing with clear slime, make sure your hands are completely clean because apparently I got something in mine, so it's a little clouded, but it's still clear and it's super stretchy, guys, before it just ripped. Next, I'm going to compare fluffy slime ingredients. This was suggested by our Instagram follower, Julia Durbick. And thank you, Julia. And I'm going to take it one step further. She wanted us to compare shaving cream versus foaming hand wash. But I'm going to add foaming body wash to that. And let's see which one gets best. So I'm going to start out with some white glue in 3 different bowls. And I'm going to tint them different colors just for fun, and that way we can compare easier instead of them all being white. No, that would be confusing. So first I'm going to test out the shaving cream, and yes, we all know this works, but this is a test, so let's put it in. And I put in about a cup of shaving cream. Next I'm going to put in this foaming whipped body wash, and the same measurements, of course, about a cup. And then I'm going to do a foaming hand soap. And this one takes forever. Alright, now I'm going to add in the activator. I'm going to use Stay Flow for all 3 of these to keep them all the same. So adding in my Stay Flow, and then I'm going to whip them up. So this one's becoming fluffy pretty instantly because it's the shaving cream. It's nice and bouncy, and I mean it's just what fluffy slime should be. Wow, this one is just starting out as a stringy mess. It seems to be a little stickier than just the shaving cream and having a harder time coming together, but we're getting there. Yeah, I feel like it has more sizzle than the, I call it fluffy slime, the shaving cream one. And as you see, it's not as bouncy, it's not as fluffy. It has a nice stretch though. This is the body wash one, and it seems to have more trouble coming together. I'm actually really surprised because it seemed to have more, did I say density than the foaming hand wash? But it's pretty stringy too, and I feel like it has sizzles as well. But it's a lot like the hand wash or hand soap, however you say it. It's for sure a lot wetter. It's a lot wetter. I think this has happened to everyone. We leave our clay slime out and we totally forget about it. So, how do we fix it? Well, I'm going to show you how. So here's my horrible clay slime. And it's, it is basically made up of clay, hence the name clay slime. And so I'm just going to put it in a bowl and I'm going to add some water to it. That's it, guys. This is the easiest fix ever. Could we consider this a one ingredient slime fix hack? Anyway, so I add in the water and I'm just going to massage it into my slime. And you can see already it's becoming more stretchy. The slime is, what do you call it? Not dehydrating. Oh my gosh, what is the word I'm looking for? Rehydrating. Wow. The slime is getting rehydrated. So if your slime is not starting to stretch, of course, all you have to do is add more water. And you could probably put in some lotion there if you'd like to too. I just want to keep it easy. Nice and easy. The slime is starting to look amazing again. Next up, I'm going to compare slime activators. So I've already added my glue. I'm going to add in some food coloring just so we can, tell the difference of which is which. And then I am going to stir it up. For my first activator, I'm going to use baking soda and contact lens solution. So I added about a teaspoon of baking soda and I'm just going to eyeball my contact lens solution. What I'm noticing about this activator is that it comes together pretty quickly and the slime is not too soft and it's not too hard. It's just right. Just like the Three Bears. The next activator I'm going to use is Tide. With Tide, the slime came together, but it's stringy. It's not like the baking soda and the eye wash one. And I have to knead it a lot more for it to come together. This slime does smell fantastic though. When it does come together, it's super stretchy and it's smooth and it's just a softer slime. Next, I'm going to use borax solution, which is 1 teaspoon borax and 1 cup of hot water, or I don't know, medium water. Could it be medium too? Yes. Okay. Yes. So with this, I'm noticing it comes together fairly quickly, and if you haven't ever used borax, there is a delay. So don't add too much at once, or you'll get a clump of like a hard rock or rubber. It will be no good. So add a little bit at a time. I added a little too much here, so my slime actually needed lotion, but I wasn't going to add it for this testing. So it's not the prettiest slime ever made, but if you let it set for a little bit, the slime does get to rest and it will be stretchy and beautiful. So it's time for some Stay Flow. This slime came together fairly quickly. It's a little stringy, kind of like the Tide, but not as bad. This slime is kind of a medium consistency. It's not a soft one, and it's not too hard. It's pretty perfect, actually, except that it's sticky. So you'll need to have a baking soda, water solution, on hand to get rid of that stick. So the baking soda and contact lens solution activator produced a nice, stretchy, non-sticky, great consistency slime. The Tide activator produced a stretchy slime that has a nice, soft consistency. The borax activator, after resting, has produced a stretchy slime. It's a little bit rubbery, so be careful when using this. It's easy to overactivate. The Stay Flow has produced a nice, stretchy consistency of slime, yet still sticky. Now time for some random ASMR. Alright, moving on, we're going to compare slime tint and some putty slime. I wanted my slime to be putty, so yeah, here we go. We're going to use food coloring, some paint, and then we are going to add in some of my beloved powdered pigment. And we're going to see, do any of these have an effect on putty? It's not just clear slime, it's putty, so is it going to make it thinner? Let's find out. So I didn't realize that this was going to be so hard to mix in, but it was, and it has no effect so far. This powdered pigment is doing nothing to the texture of this putty. So let's move on to the food coloring. I was trying to be so careful with this, not to get on my fingernails, and guys, it got up under my fingernail and dyed my fingernail blue. Well, actually green. It was not good. But anyway, this food coloring is doing absolutely nada to this putty slime. It's just the same texture, nice and thick, but now it's beautiful blue. Will this paint do anything? I'm getting kind of skeptical. I'm trying to be really careful not to get this paint on me because yeah, I already have blue on me, which is really not pretty. And ooh, okay, so the paint is doing something to my slime. It's becoming slimy and sticky, and yeah, I got it all over my hands. Look at it, wow. So the paint does change the consistency of my putty slime. Food coloring doesn't change the consistency, powder pigment doesn't change it, but paint will change the consistency of your slime. I like these slimes so much, I decided to make a slime sandwich. So I'm doing my greenish yellow on the bottom, blue in the middle, and pink on the top. And I'm loving the way it's looking. So I decided to add some pretty yellow sprinkles. I absolutely love this. So I'm going to take it out, and then we're going to bask in its beauties, guys. Oh my gosh, I love this color combo.